Hey y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So our Misfits box just arrived, so we're going to open it up together and see what we got. I do remember that I had one add-on, probably like Brussels sprouts or something. I should check it every time before, but I love the surprise of seeing whatever I got again. And again, I customize mine, but I forget between then and now what I add in. But we're going to open it up together and see what all we got and how everything looks. I am still on the old system where this is a $35 box and I just add the 14 items in, and again I added a marketplace item as well, but they haven't shifted me to the new system where you just add to a minimum of $30 total, things like that. So we're going to open it up together and see what we got. Now, I'm not sure if they still have the Mischief boxes, which are the smaller ones. I would think that some of those people still do, if they're still haven't transitioned over. From what I hear from the people that are already switched over, it's a guarantee at this point that they will be moving everyone to their new system. Like I've said before, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to feel about that, but we'll keep going, we'll give it a try, and hopefully it will work out, because this is our favorite thing. All of my children love it, and you see we depend on it. Like, we need to restock our basket. Something I can tell you right away is this is nice and chilled. We do have a new packing material in here. We've had this kind of packing material before, but not recently. Keep it nice and cool. They say that we can recycle it, so I put it in my recycle bin. I hope that that's a good thing. And reuse it. I know some people I've seen, if they have farms and stuff, they use it for their pets in the winter and things too, so I think that's cool. I love reusing and repurposing. So our ice packs, which they're solid frozen. This is awesome. And it's 85 degrees here, y'all, so it's not like we're in New York or something that might still be cold. Now, if you're in New York and it's not cold, sorry. That's just always my assumption, but I'm in Louisiana and it is piping hot, even though we're just into the 1st of April. So our ice packs, I put those in the freezer too, and we use them on long trips. I pass them off to my dad and my brother for fishing trips to go in their ice chest, but you can pour it down the drain and recycle them as well. So lots of purposes. What I see right away is they did attempt to put a divider in here to keep some of my softer items away from the heavier items. It doesn't seem like it worked, but I like that they're actively working at these. So let's get right into it. We have, I think this is curly kale. It just says green kale, but looks like the curly little things to me. But let me move this all the way out of the way, because it looks like a nice full box. So kale, which we love. I know it's not everyone's favorite, but we love it. So every time I see it, I try to grab it for us. And little bits and pieces. Like I said, it looks like they attempted to pack it much better than whenever I first heard of getting this like a year ago. Some more. Oh my goodness. So a big, huge Napa cabbage, which is awesome because we're getting ready to make some fried rice tomorrow, and we'll find a way to cook this up for our little Chinese dinner. So let's set that there. Oh no, so that's not, I didn't order Brussels, I may have ordered Brussels sprouts in here in addition, but now I see what my marketplace add-on was. So my little baby zucchinis, those are cute. Now all of Misfits is organic, and the way we get this is because of surplus, oddly shaped, ugly produce, all of that. That's how we get it at this discounted rate. So the little baby zucchini, I don't mind at all. They look wonderful. They just look small in size, which may be why the grocery stores didn't want them. But sometimes smaller in size packs a bigger punch. So another big, well, small but good sized zucchini. My little radishes. So those are cute, bright. We'll roast those up and they'll be perfect. I think that's it. Yeah, we got another little bunch down in here. Whoop. Some loose ones around too. Now we're getting to the end of squash season as far as like the gourd looking squashes. So I went ahead and got another butternut squash. We have eaten so much of this past fall and winter and loved it, especially with our Brussels sprouts, bacon. That's been one of our favorite side dishes. A little spaghetti squash. Yes, ma'am. I see you licking your lips. Eleanor's over here licking her lips as I pull it out. Another little baby radish. Some of our broken kale. So our oranges, these are like little bitty ones. Which again, this may be why they're in here. But 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 so far of the little bitty oranges. A Bartlett pear. Some little Yukon Golds, I think is what these are. Little potatoes. These are so good. I'm just dropping everything. These are so good in like a shrimp or crawfish boil. Or, ooh, I saw a potato recipe the other day. I had planned on using those russet potatoes, but these may be even better. I'll post a video of that soon. Like, that's almost guaranteed that I'll try that potato recipe. So these would probably be perfect in that. Alright, so I love our little baby. Seems like sometimes we have a theme of giant produce or baby produce. So we might have the baby produce going on today. Some more cardboard. This is the divider they have tried to use, but recyclable, so I don't mind the extra. Now I remember I didn't get Brussels sprouts. I got something that I'm like, what do I even do with it? But it's something new for us, which I like for us to try. So I'm gonna have to give it a try. But y'all, truthfully, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I just got it because it's something new to me. But Brussels sprout tops. So apparently the greens of the Brussels sprouts are edible too. But y'all know Brussels sprouts come on those long stalks that y'all just pick off. These like have the little bitty things on it. This one doesn't. Well, I mean, there's little bitty tiny ones right there, but truthfully no. So I'll have to find out what we're doing with this, do some investigating, and I'll let y'all know what comes of these. But it was something intriguing that I've never had. Let's see. Some more pears. Thatcher has been chowing down on some pears. Some more pears. Let's see. Another little orange. We got 3 little kiwi. These will be gone as soon as the video's over, I'm sure. Alright, some yellow peppers. These feel a little, well, this one feels a little bit softer. It could be because it needs to be used up or because of just kind of tossing in the box. But these all look really good. And this is probably just because, you know, it's transition. Oh, that one's broken. That's okay. We'll chop them up anyway. But it's transitioned from the green and yellow to the orange. But most people aren't going to want to pay in the grocery store that extra price for those colored ones. They just aren't the ones they'll grab for the most. Cherry tomatoes. Come here. You can have them. Hold on. Let me find my scissors. She likes to take these in her lunchbox too. All right, go have a seat. Look how pretty. Ooh, hold on. Okay, we can go for down. And we got 2 of them. Oh, those are good. All right, last regular item is 2 beets. That one's already flowering. But beets, yeah, beets. We've been using these. What did we try? A lot of people say beets taste like dirt. And I was very nervous the first time I tried them. The first time I ever tried it was with Misfits. But we've been taking these, like peeling them and chopping them up, roasting them. And I know this isn't the healthiest, but with a little bit of cinnamon sugar mixture and some butter, and oh, it's like a vegetable but a dessert at the same time. Now Thatcher will take these, like, I mean, I'll put them for all of us, but that kid's gonna eat his way down. So the last thing I have is my marketplace item, and we're gonna see how it is. But a salted maple pecan Yes bar. I've never had these, but salted maple pecan, like obviously it's got to be good. I doubt that any part of it is healthy. It says no GMOs, dairy, eggs, soy. It's vegan, plant-based, half the sugar of an apple. Also, it's got to be decent. 220 calories for this little bitty thing. But if you were having a piece of candy, then it's going to be just as much. So I'll let y'all know how this is. I think it was like $1. So I got it to throw in my lunchbox, but again, depending on how hungry I am after we get this all washed and put away, may go ahead and test that for y'all. But marketplace item that was cool to see. And that's it. Let's see if we got any little recipe cards or info cards. I miss those info cards. I don't know if they stopped doing it. We don't have it in here. So Misfits, if you're listening, the info cards that you used to send in like the spring and the summer with the different seasonal fruits and vegetables, I miss that. I loved it. I loved seeing what y'all said like was in season or going to be the best bet and good for like your carrots with your carotene, like the things that we love fruits and vegetables for, the nutrients of them. So if y'all want to bring those cards back or just send one just to me, okay. But this is our haul for this box. Love it. Very interested in the Brussels sprout tops. We've never done that before, so I'll let you know how those turn out. If you have a recipe for Napa cabbage that is like kind of Chinese foodish, or even if it's not, send it my way. We've done Napa cabbage before, but I can't even remember what I used it for. I think I just like sauteed it or something. But this will go really quickly. We need to fill that up, and I don't think it'll get us through for until the next box because we have a good mix of things. And I mean, we eat a lot. But I'm very excited. Let's make sure we got all of our variety. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And that was our marketplace item. So I'm happy with it. I think Thatcher will be happy with it. Obviously, Eleanor's happy with it. She's already gotten the tomatoes. And Michael, as long as he's fed, he's happy. So we're all good. But if you have any questions, just let me know. Leave them in the comments or send me a message. I'll be happy to answer them if I can. I'll also leave a $10 off discount code in the description box if you want to use it. I'll post a link to some of our other videos, and if you enjoyed our video and you keep coming back for more, we'd love it if you'd like and subscribe. It helps us grow our channel and get our information out there more, and it just helps to make sure that we are able to do this for y'all, and we just keep on going. Y'all let us know what y'all like to see. But I'll also leave some pictures of some recipes or some meals that we made with the last box that we got. And I'll attach a link for all the recipes in the description box from those pictures. But thank y'all so much for joining us every week. And we wouldn't be able to do this without y'all. We'll see y'all next time. Bye. What you want? The oranges? Pears? Tiny little oranges. Yeah. Oh, go peel it.